Hello everyone. As you all would be aware that the Council for the ISC has released a specimen question paper for semester 2 examinations which are to be held in this year in the month of March and April. Now this, based on the specimen question paper, Goyal brothers Prakashan have released a set of different books in different subjects. Now this is the book for accounts. Please note that this is a question bank with model test papers. This book is based on the latest reduced and bifurcated syllabus for academic year 2021 and 22. This book has chapter-wise summary and question bank. It also has the specimen question paper which is released by the council, and it has model test papers which are based on the specimen question paper released by the council. Now let me take you through the book and tell you how the book has been designed. To start with, we have this syllabus in the starting. If you see, this is the reduced syllabus for academic year 21-22. Now you will be having paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 will be theory, which is for 3 hours, and paper 2 will be the project work. Paper 1 theory is for 80 marks, paper 2 project work is for 20 marks. So the syllabus is given here for both paper 1 and paper 2. You can see this is the syllabus for paper 1. This is all the paper 1 syllabus, and then you have the paper 2 syllabus, which is the project work for 20 marks. So here you can see the syllabus is given. After the paper 1 and paper 2 syllabus, you have the bifurcated syllabus. You can see the semester-wise bifurcated syllabus is given for semester 1 and semester 2. This is the reduced syllabus for ISC. You can see different sections are there, section A, section B and section C. After the syllabus, the reduced and bifurcated syllabus, we have the contents. You see, we have different sections in the contents. Section A is the question bank, section B is the specimen question paper, and section C is the model test paper. Now these model test papers are unsolved for the practice of the students. Let us see each section individually. Now this is section A. The chapter name is Reconstitution of Partnership, Retirement of a Partner. This is section A question bank. You can see the summary is given in the starting. The important points of each unit, each chapter are given in the starting of the unit. Only for the simple reason that the child can recapitulate and revise the complete chapter in a very short while. After that, we have the question bank. Now this is a very rich question bank because the questions from the previous years, the important questions, they have been included in this question bank. Plus, the kind of questions which are here, the pattern of the questions which are here in this question bank are all similar to the pattern which is there in the specimen question paper. Now let us see the question bank. In the starting, we have the multiple choice questions which are for 1 mark each. Now this is a solved question bank, so all the answers are provided. These are all multiple choice questions which are for 1 mark each. You can see there are 21 multiple choice type questions. The answers are given here in the grey box. After this, we have very short answer type questions which are again for 1 mark. You can see all the answers are provided here in the question bank. So these are all very short answer type questions. After that, we have the short answer type questions. First, this is for 2 marks each. Now these are all short answer type questions for 2 marks each, and all the answers are provided along with the questions. There are 19 short answer type questions. After that, we have short answer type questions second part, which is for 3 marks each. You can see the answers again are provided along with the questions. So you can see these are all 3 marks type questions along with the solutions. These are all 3 marks. Now there are 15 3 marks type questions. After that, we have the long answer type questions. Now these are for 5 marks each. You can see again the answers and solutions are provided along with the questions. So these are all 5 marks type questions. You can see all 5 marks type questions along with the solutions. There are many questions so that you can practice. These are all 5 marks type questions. So there are many questions. It's a rich question bank. There are many questions for the children to practice. After that, we come to section B of the book, which is the specimen question paper. Now, this is the specimen question paper solved, which is released by the council. So this is section A, which is for 26 marks. This is all section A. This is a solved specimen question paper. So you can see all the solutions are provided along with the questions. These are all the solutions along with the questions. After that, we have section B, which is for 14 marks. Again, the solutions are provided. And then we have section C, which is again for 14 marks. So this was the specimen question paper, section B of the book. After that, we have section C of the book, which is the model test paper. Now, this is model test paper number 1. All the model test papers are unsolved for your practice. And also to remind you, these model test papers are strictly on the pattern of the specimen question paper. You can see we have section A, which is for 26 marks. These are all the model test papers questions. And then we have section B, which is for 14 marks. So this is how the complete book has been designed. There are 5 model test papers, and answer to the model test papers are provided at the end of the book. Thank you. If you wish to book the samples, you can mail us at info@goyal-books.com. If you want to purchase these books online, you can visit the website, which is www.goyal-books.com. Also, please see the description box. All the links for all the subjects are provided in the description box. Thank you so much.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.